273 million views. This is crazy. I would consider this as one of the most viral videos on TikTok for products. And this guy, if he only need 1% of those people, 1% of 200 million people view that video to buy his products, he instantly become millionaires. And let me show you exactly how he did it so that you can do the same thing. So first, let's see what this product is all about, okay? So let's watch it. Oh, okay. Wow. So this product is for students and people that want to take notes. And it definitely solved a problem, and it solved one of the biggest problems for students. And there are three categories that you always want to be involved with: is health, beauty, and education. This one falling into education. One of my last company that I sold, and that company did $4 million every single year. That one was in the beauty space. All right, so step number one, how we're gonna steal it together is, let's go to Amazon first. We need to identify if this product truly have demand on Amazon or just on TikTok itself. Because a lot of the time, people that watch video on TikTok, they're gonna go to Amazon to search it first, because Amazon offer 2-day free shipping, and it's risk-free with 30-day free return. So let's go to Amazon. Step number one, I want you to identify the main keyword of that product or the search term, and in this case it is mini printer. So let's guess it. So after you hit mini printer, next step I want you to use is called helium-10. And I want you to think of helium-10 this way. We are digging for gold and we need a shovel. Helium-10 is the shovel that will give you how much other competitor are making on Amazon. So like click on this one. We're gonna run X-ray. Alright, so filter result. Make sure that you hide all the sponsored products. Alright, so I found this guy similar to the model that the other guy was selling, and he is making crazy amount of money. 300. He make $339,000 with one single products. And let's see how long he's been selling this product for. So he's been selling this in April 2021. So every single year, this business bringing him in over minimum $4 million in revenue every single year. That's crazy. So let's take a look. And I don't know why people said Amazon is not sustainable, but this brand, the fact is he making consistent bread like this, showing you the sustainability of building an Amazon private label brand. If you were to do retail arbitrage, wholesale arbitrage, stuff like that, you are still in the mercy of the brand that you are buying the wholesale or retails off. The moment they cut you, you have to go back to that hamster wheel, right? But with this one, easy breadwinner. So let's see. They are selling this for $29.99. You can see the true cost, how much they're on average they are selling by running their X-ray one more time. So they are selling this products for, let's see. So on average, their normal price is about $37.49. That is their average price. And sometimes they market as 50% off so that they can get as much review as possible, because with private label, the more reviews you have on Amazon, the longevity of your product will become. And the review will not go anywhere. 5 years, 10 years down the line, you're gonna build your brand with so many reviews where later on you can do wholesale. You can even sell it, your whole company, for other people too. So next step we wanna do is we wanna go to Alibaba and looking for a supplier. Now we have identified that this product has crazy demand on Amazon and off of Amazon, and people that watch TikTok video are going on Amazon and buy the products. So let's go look for a supplier. We're gonna go to Alibaba, and I want you to do next is search for the search term again. In this case, mini printer, you can add on more if you want to. So I searched for that one. So there are many different suppliers, and your job is you need to look for the supplier that can provide the same or similar product as the guy that you saw, or even better. So in this case, we have a couple of them here. So if you are seeing too many products offer on here from many different manufacturers, here's one tips that I can help you is that look at the years that they are in the business for. This guy has been in the business for over 9 years, and he have done over many different transactions, and he can get up to like 55 reviews. So they are more trustworthy, and if I were to consider, I would go with this guy over the other guy that don't have reviews, or let's say this guy, only 1 year and no reviews. So same with buying product on Amazon, right? You saw more reviews, more trustworthy. But we're gonna do a couple more. Let's see any more products. Same with this one. So on average, this product on Alibaba, the manufacturer is selling this for about from $2 to over $14. So we're gonna get an average of, let's say, $7 to $8. Let's be more conservative, $8. Okay. So let's $8. Let's go back to this one. We're gonna run Helium 10 one more time. Click on profit calculator. So I put the product cost right here, $8 for you. This is the freight cost from China to the US and the price. So let's say if this seller right here is selling for $29.99, the profit margin after FBA fee and store fee is about $12.97 per unit, and with the profit margin over 43% and ROI over $156. And let's say on average this guy is selling for about $34.99, $37.49 actually. So let's see, $37.49. So he able to pump his margin up to about 51% and $19 in net profit. That's pretty good money. And you know what's crazier is that Amazon handle most of the legwork for you, from store the product in their warehouse, pack the product and ship the product to the customer. So you don't have to do a lot of the legwork. You don't have to run a warehouse. In my past, I run a warehouse and I did hire over 22 people, and that's a lot of work. You don't want to do that. So let's say 51% margin. So out of $339 in revenue every single month, he able to bring home, just let's say conservatively, 30%. He able to bring home about $90,000 in net profit every single month, and that is over $900,000 per year in net income that he earned. That's crazy from one product. You can see the crazy thing about it is just one product away. And if you decide to go with this product, I would say make sure that you add as much value as possible to this products, and make sure you don't just depending on PPC, because it seems like this guy also depending on the outside traffic from influencer and stuff like that. So that is how you steal his plan. And if you want to learn the detail about how to sell on Amazon and how to really beat the 90% of new Amazon seller and make it to the top 1%, like how I did it, and how I helped many others people become millionaires on Amazon, click the link in my bio or my description, where I'm going to give you a free tutorial or training that goes straight into detail on how to not make a mistake as a beginner and how to sell on Amazon successfully. Well, I hope you find this lesson helpful, and if you enjoyed the section today, make sure you comment down below, like and share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace for now.